Welcome back to Dsquare Electronics. Today, let's talk about something we all depends on but rarely maintain, our inverter batteries. If you are using an inverter for a power backup but you have never replaced the batteries or checked the water level, this video is right for you. Your inverter is like the main part of the power backup, but the battery is the key important aspects. Without a healthy battery, even the best inverters won't work properly. Over time, batteries lose their efficiency. If you never check them, the day during a power cut, your inverter may suddenly stop working. Imagine no lights, no fan, no backup, just because the battery was ignored. Most inverter batteries need distilled water to run smoothly. If the water level goes down and you don't top it up, the battery plates get damaged. Damaged plates means less backup, frequent failures, and in some cases the battery might completely die. And remember, if you don't check your batteries for 4 years, they can explode like a bomb and cause a serious damage to your home. That's why it's important to check the battery water level every 2 to 3 months. A small 5-minute check can save you from the big headache later. Now, even with a good care, inverter batteries don't last forever. On average, they need replacement every 3 to 5 years depending on the usage. So if your inverter backup feels weaker or it doesn't last as long as before, it might be a time to replace the battery before it fails during an important moment that you are dreaming of. At Dsquare Electronics, we believe prevention is better than cure. If you find it difficult to check or maintain your inverter battery, don't worry, we are here to help. Contact us for AMC consultation and regular battery checkups. We will make sure your inverter is always ready when and where you need it. Because when the power goes off, your inverter should switch on without any excuses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dsquare Electronics for more smart tech tips.